What's up everyone, it's Shaquille, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to send voice messages via text in iMessage. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to record voice messages on iPhone. You press that plus button in your text messages, you then scroll to where it says audio, you click on audio, and it starts recording right away. There's no pressing start to record. So like right now, hey honey, how you doing? And then you press stop. And then you can either choose to play it for review or send it right away. And it also tells you how long your voice message recording is. So let's press play to listen to that. On audio, and it starts recording right away. There's no pressing start to record. So like right now, hey honey, how you doing? So you can also slide. So like if you wanted to listen to the beginning part, recording right away. There's no. Or if you wanted to slide all the way to the end to listen. See, like let's listen to that one more time. Click on audio. Now. Hey honey, how you doing? And then if you like your message, you just press play. Not play, I meant you press send. And then you can also listen to your message. Click on audio, and it starts. You can adjust it to the end as well if you want to listen to it again. It also shows the transcript of your message, so that's a new feature as well. And let's say you sent it, let's say you reviewed it, you sent it, and at the end you didn't like it, you've changed your mind. You can hold on it, and then you can press like this, undo send. And pop, it unsends your voice message. So that way for people who are more audio inclined as opposed to visual inclined, so if you don't like reading text messages or you don't like typing and sending text messages, but you're the type who likes sending voice messages because you can get your message across faster and clearer and with nuances and intonation, or if you know that the person on the other end likes getting audio messages more than text messages, this is a nice easy way. And just one more time. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips. And we're gonna just send. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips.